My name's Francis McShane, and this is my second tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to make a roof window here using Window Plus for SketchUp. Give it the name R1 for roof window. It doesn't really matter what you call a window. Again, we'll accept the defaults here. And we'll just pop it onto the roof. And that already doesn't look too bad for a roof window, but we can make it better. First of all, it might be good if it was an openable window, and it would be good if it was cut through the roof. We pick cut opening, and here again I know the roof is 300 millimeters thick, or 0.3 of a meter. So I'll adjust that. And the reveal depth for a roof window is effectively projected out from the roof. So that has to be a negative number. So we'll put that in as minus 0.63, because I know the frame is 0.063 sorry, of a meter thick. And there you have it. That doesn't look too bad. You can make it look even better with a few little tricks, like I'll show you them. First of all, we'll hide the window and draw a line there and select that face and then extend that a little bit, and then pick a color, go for a grey. And then I'll delete that face, and I will make the inside the default color, roof colored, and then I'll bring back the roof window, and we'll make that grey as well, maybe a lighter grey. And so I think that's a pretty good roof window. Maybe arrows would be good on it, just to make it more roof windowy. And I would pick pivot or sliding, 'cause I'll show you what that looks like. So that's the usual arrow for a roof window. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks.